Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you all how I made this beautiful hanging shelf on the wall. If you're new to my channel, I say a very big warm welcome to you. This channel is new but a very promising one with lots of content to share. So please do endeavor to subscribe and push the notification bell so that you can always get notified whenever I post a new video. Also, don't forget to like and comment. I want to know you, okay? And to my returning subscribers, you all know I love you so much. Thank you for coming back, and don't forget to like. First of all, we'll be needing some skewers or bamboo. Also, we'll be needing cardboard or carton, scissors and a plier, hot glue gun and some glue, acrylic paint or a spray paint, but for this I don't have spray paint, so I'll be going with the acrylic paint. Now first of all, we'll just be cutting out the sharp edges of the skewer. We'll be needing 15 pieces of a 9.5 inches long skewer and 6 pieces of 7.5 inches long skewer. Now I'll be joining the longer ones together using glue. We need to make a triangle shape. Repeat the same process. Now we have two triangles. We'll be joining them together. Now we'll be adding two together again to make it a total of 4 triangles. Now this is what we have. We take another one and add it here. Remember, we are still working with just the long ones here, and make sure that your skewers are all the same size. Repeat the same process with the last side. Now we have a total of 6 triangles together. Now we bring the shorter skewers that we cut earlier. We'll be needing 2 of that and 1 longer one. All you have to do is add them together like I'm doing now. Make sure you add enough glue so that it can stay together. Now I'm done with that. I'm just going to repeat the same process with the other 2 sides. One thing I noticed about this, when you're doing it, make sure that your glue is not too hot and too watery. That way it will help it dry faster and hold faster too. Just leave it for a while to dry. So now I'll be marking out the sizes of the carton or cardboard that I'll be needing to fill the empty spaces. Remember, I'll be needing 3 of this. So here it is. I'll just be gluing it together. I repeated the same process with the other 2 sides. Now this is what we have. Now I'll be painting it. So guys, here it is, our finished hanging shelf. I hope you really liked it, and I hope you enjoyed watching. If you watched till this time, I am very grateful. Thank you so much. And if you learned something and you enjoyed watching and you haven't subscribed yet, please encourage a sister by subscribing, okay? It goes a long way in helping me improve on myself and do better and bring you guys more good content. See you in my next video. Bye.